Our body is made up of trillions of cells. They all require energy to function. This energy is created within our body, in every mitochondrion. Here, food is converted into chemical energy called ATP. ATP is released by the mitochondria, so cells can use it.
A mitochondrion consists of two membranes, an outer membrane separating it from the cytosol, and an inner membrane surrounding the so-called matrix. The area between these membranes is called the intermembrane space. ATP is generated at the inner membrane of mitochondria by an efficient mechanism called oxidative phosphorylation, involving several membrane protein complexes.
Nutrients provide high-energy electrons in the form of NADH, which are used by the protein complexes to pump protons from the matrix to the intermembrane space. This continuous pumping creates a proton gradient where the positively charged protons are attracted to the more negative matrix. When the protons re-enter the matrix through the ATP synthase protein complex, the chemical energy, ATP, is formed.
Mitochondrial disease is a group of disorders where the mitochondria cannot make enough ATP, the cell's main energy source. Because ATP powers everything, the organs that need the most energy are the brain, the muscles, the heart, and the nerves are the first to fail.
As discussed in Part 1, inside a healthy mitochondria, proton pumps create a strong proton gradient, like charging a battery, and that battery powers ATP synthase to make ATP. But in mitochondrial disease, this battery becomes weak. The proton gradient is low, so ATP production drops. Cells simply cannot make enough energy to function normally.
Most mitochondrial diseases are genetically inherited. Most commonly from mutations in mitochondrial DNA. This type is passed only from the mother, because only the egg provides mitochondria to the child. These mutations affect proteins that are part of the electron transport chain, the machinery that makes ATP. Other mitochondrial diseases come from mutations in nuclear DNA. These genes help with mitochondrial replication, repair, and maintenance. These mutations can be inherited from either of the parents.
Certain environmental factors can also worsen mitochondrial function. These include specific medications like valproate, exposure to toxins, and severe metabolic stress. For example, uncontrolled diabetes. While these triggers don't usually cause mitochondrial disease on their own, they can make an existing mitochondrial problem much worse. In simple terms, when mitochondria cannot make enough ATP, the body's energy-hungry organs begin to fail, and this is the core of mitochondrial disease.